Hi dear children, welcome to our GK class. So how are you children? Hope you all are doing good, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you close your eyes and start praying to thank God to give this wonderful opportunity for learning. Asato ma sadgamaya तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. All of you slowly open your eyes. Okay children, our today's topic, natural calamities. So natural calamities and natural disaster means it's a sudden event caused by the environmental factors. So many natural disasters are there. So some of the natural disaster and their effects are already we have seen in our previous classes, isn't it? So this class we are going to see some other natural calamities and their effects. Okay children. So the first one, drought. A drought is a damage of ground usually caused by dry weather. A drought occurs when there is a lack of rain over an extended period of time, usually a season or more, resulting in water shortage for a particular area. So a drought is a natural event caused by dry weather or high pressure. So when an area gets less than its normal amount of rain over a month or a year means the drought will happen. So where it will occur? The drought occur in almost anywhere in the world. It usually takes place very slowly. So it's very difficult to decide when the drought started and sometimes when it ends too. What are the causes of drought? So there are mainly two causes of drought. One is natural causes, the next one human causes. So the natural causes of droughts are lack of rainwater, environmental changes, severe weather patterns and global warming trends. These are the some of the natural causes of drought. So the next one, human causes. So the human activity can directly trigger the drought. So they are overfarming, excessive irrigation, deforestation, deconstruction or poisoning of water resource and erosion unwisely impact the ability of the land to capture and hold the water. So these are the some of the effects of some of the causes of drought by the human activities. So the next one, types of drought. So mainly four types of drought. One is meteorological, agricultural, hydrological and socio-economic. So these are the some of the types of drought. The next one, effects of drought. So it will causes famine. Crops and other plants need water to grow and animals, human beings to drink water need to live. So without water, the crops and plants cannot grow. It causes famine and inflation. So many peoples and animals die every year in famine or lack of food due to drought. So the next one, it will reduces water quality. It will reduce water quality by reducing the dilution of the water and also increasing the contamination of the remaining water source. And also it causes groundwater level very low. So the drought will give economic loss and agricultural loss. So the drought directly hurts the agriculture and also decreasing the food supply. So thereby it gives the economic loss and agricultural loss. So the farmer move to city to find other places of jobs. So it will affecting both terrestrial and aquatic wildlife. Also, the drought will causes other natural disaster like wildfire and landslides. So these are the some of the effects of drought. So the next one, prevention method. So how we can prevent the drought? First of all, we cannot prevent drought, but we should try to prevent drought as it causes huge damage. To prevent drought, we should preserve as much water as we can, and we should use water in limits. We should save rainwater in proper ways and protect underground water, and also plant more trees. So these are the some of the prevention methods of drought. So the next one, sandstorm. The strong wind in desert lift the top layer of a sand and push it in every possible direction. This is called a sandstorm. Sandstorm can develop very quickly with little warming. So sandstorm or violent windstorm that will occur often in the desert area. So what are the causes of sandstorm? The only main causes of sandstorm is wind. Because of the pressure of the wind only the sandstorm will happen, and also lack of vegetations and absence of rainfall. So these are the causes of sandstorm. And also, where do sandstorm occur? Mostly find them in dry, hot desert region across the world, for example Sahara Desert. So mostly arise during hot and summer season, but sometimes occur in spring too in the US. So what happened during a sandstorm? It's like a wall of sand. So the wind can take sand and dust along for the thousands of kilometers. But most of the sandstorm does not last long and leave as suddenly as they arrived. So the height of the sandstorm is 10 to 50 feet and 100 km width. It attained wind speed 25 miles per hour, that means 40 kilometers. So the wind speed of the sandstorm is depends upon the wind speed. So how dangerous is sandstorm? So what are the effects of sandstorm? So it will pollute the air, and also it give breathing difficulties. That is, the sand and dust can get into the eyes, mouth, nose and lungs, which can causes breathing difficulties and infections. Also, it increase the asthma, respiratory diseases. So it will reduce the land quality. So sandstorm remove organic matters and nutrition rich particles, thereby reducing agricultural productivity, and also sandstorm damage young crops and plants. It will causes auto accidents because they can reduce visibility to near zero, so it will make traveling difficulties. So it causes auto accidents, and it will affect aircraft transportation, and also it causes many mechanical problem in the airplanes. So these are the some of the effects of sandstorm. So the next one, prevention method. So to control dust rising factor, we can increasing the vegetations and plant native plants and trees. These are the some of the prevention methods. So this class we have seen the natural calamities, drought and sandstorm. We will see some other natural calamities in our next classes. Okay. So your today's homework is write effect of drought and how can we prevent it. So you just write the effects of drought and send it to the classroom app. Okay. So children, please avoid your mobile phone laptop, desktop or any other gadgets item after your session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables, and also go out to play at evening. Also stay home, stay safe. We will meet in our next session. Bye children. Thank you.